Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best top 3 coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1, the 2014 France 10 euro cent coin, including its design, composition, background, mintage, and other numismatic details. This explanation is structured in long-form paragraphs, suitable for collectors, researchers, or those interested in the cultural and economic aspects of modern European coinage. Overview and background. The 2014 France 10 euro cent coin is part of the standard circulating euro coin series issued by the French Republic. France, one of the original member states of the Eurozone, adopted the euro as its official currency in 1999 for electronic transactions and began issuing physical euro coins and banknotes in 2002. The 10-cent coin is a denomination of the euro currency and is used across all countries within the Eurozone. It is among the lower denominations, commonly used in everyday transactions. The French 10 euro cent coin of 2014 is notable for its national design, which reflects the country's artistic heritage, cultural identity, and republican values. Design and symbolism. The national side of the 2014 France 10 euro cent coin features the figure of La Semeuse, the sower, one of the most iconic images in French numismatics. Designed by artist Laurent Joriot, the image is based on the original work of Oscar Roti, whose depiction of the sower first appeared on French coins during the Third Republic in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In this modernized version, the sower is seen in mid-stride, spreading grain across the field, symbolizing growth, prosperity, and continuity. She wears a Phrygian cap, a traditional symbol of liberty, connecting the image to the values of the French Republic: liberty, equality, fraternity, liberté, égalité, fraternité. The sower is shown in stylized, dynamic lines that evoke motion, and behind her is a radiant sun, suggesting enlightenment and the dawn of a new era. To the right of the figure are the initials RF, for République Française. Surrounding the design is a circular border of 12 stars, representing the European Union and unity among the nations of Europe. These stars are a standard feature on all euro coins to symbolize Europe's shared identity. The reverse side of the coin, common to all 10-cent coins in the Eurozone regardless of issuing country, was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist. It shows a globe in the lower right, symbolizing Europe's position in the world, along with the denomination 10 euro cent. The map includes the 15 original EU member states with borders delineated, signifying their unity and cooperation. Technical specifications. The 2014 French 10-cent coin conforms to the standard specifications adopted for all Eurozone countries. Composition: Nordic gold, an alloy consisting of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. Diameter: 19.75 millimeters. Thickness: 1.93 millimeters. Weight: 4.10 grams. Edge: smooth with fine grooving. Color: golden yellow, due to the Nordic gold alloy. This alloy is chosen for its durability, corrosion resistance, and distinctive color, helping visually impaired individuals distinguish denominations more easily. Mintage and circulation. In 2014, the French Mint, Monnaie de Paris, produced a significant number of 10-cent coins for general circulation. Although not rare, these coins are still collected in uncirculated or mint condition, particularly by numismatists seeking complete euro coin collections by year and country. In addition to circulating coins, the Monnaie de Paris also issues collector editions, including proof and BU, brilliant uncirculated, sets, which may contain the 10-cent coin as part of a full annual euro coin set. These sets are struck with extra care and often come in special packaging, appealing to collectors. Cultural and numismatic significance. The France 10 euro cent coin, like other national euro coins, is a blend of national pride and European unity. The depiction of La Semeuse is deeply symbolic in French history, evoking themes of progress, agriculture, liberty, and republicanism. By using a classic national symbol on a modern European currency, France preserves its identity while participating in a shared monetary system. For collectors, this coin is not just a monetary unit, but a miniature piece of art and history, representing both the ideals of the French Republic and the economic cooperation of the European Union. Availability and collecting tips. As a widely circulated coin, the 2014 France 10-cent piece is relatively easy to find in pocket change within France or other euro-using countries. However, for collectors, condition matters greatly. Coins graded as uncirculated, UNC, or brilliant uncirculated, BU, especially those from official mint sets, are more desirable. Proof versions, though rare for this denomination, may also be found in special collector issues. Online numismatic stores, auction sites, and coin fairs are good sources for high-quality examples. Prices for circulated coins are typically at face value, but premium versions can sell for a few euros or more depending on condition and packaging. Top 2. The 2012 France 10 euro cent coin, covering its design, specifications, historical background, symbolism, circulation details, and collecting value. This information is useful for collectors, enthusiasts of European coinage, educators, and anyone with an interest in modern numismatics. Historical and monetary context. The 2012 France 10 euro cent coin is part of France's standard euro currency system, which was introduced in 1999 for accounting purposes and came into full physical circulation in 2002. As one of the founding members of the European Union and the Eurozone, France was among the first to adopt the euro as its official currency, replacing the French franc. The euro cent coins, ranging from 1 to 50 cents, are used in everyday transactions and are legal tender across all Eurozone countries. The 10-cent denomination, while small in face value, plays a crucial role in daily commerce and remains a common coin in circulation. By 2012, euro coins had become firmly established in both France and across Europe. The 2012 France 10-cent coin continues the tradition of combining a standardized European reverse design with a nationally distinctive obverse, allowing each country to express its unique cultural and historical identity while being part of a unified currency system. Obverse design, a national symbol La Semouse. The national side of the 2012 France 10 euro cent coin features a modern interpretation of La Semouse, the sower, an iconic figure in French numismatic and artistic heritage. The original image was created by French engraver Oscar Roty in the late 19th century and became a symbol of the French Republic. This modern adaptation was designed by Laurent Joriot and has been featured on France's euro cent coins since the currency's introduction in 2002. In the design, a youthful female figure strides confidently across the field while scattering seeds from her hand. She wears a Phrygian cap, an emblem of freedom and the revolutionary spirit of the French Republic. Behind her, the sun rises or sets, ambiguous by design, casting rays of light that symbolize hope, renewal, and the bright future of France and Europe. The stylization is modern and energetic, capturing movement and optimism. To her right are the letters RF, standing for République Française, and the designer's initials. Surrounding the central image are 12 stars, arranged in a circle standard on all euro coins representing the 12 original member states of the European Union and symbolizing solidarity and unity among EU nations. Reverse design, common European theme. The reverse side of the 10-cent coin is the same for all Eurozone countries and was designed by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist and coin designer. It features a globe showing the western part of Europe in relation to Africa and Asia, emphasizing the EU's global presence. The denomination 10 euro cent is prominently displayed, and the 12 EU stars again form a circle. The design reflects the integration and shared identity of the European community, regardless of national origin. This side also includes the coin's mint year, 2012, and the mint mark of the Monnaie de Paris, Paris Mint, which may appear as a small cornucopia, horn of plenty, or other symbol depending on the specific strike. Physical specifications. The 2012 France 10-cent coin adheres to standard specifications used across the Eurozone for this denomination. These specifications are designed to make coins easy to recognize, handle, and distinguish from one another. Material: Nordic gold, a copper-based alloy, 89% copper, 5% aluminum, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Color: golden yellow. Diameter: 19.75 millimeters. Thickness: 1.93 millimeters. Weight: 4.10 grams. Edge: smooth with fine grooves, reeded edge. Nordic gold is a durable, corrosion-resistant alloy that is not actually gold but is named for its gold-like color and appearance. It was chosen for the 10, 20, and 50-cent coins to provide a distinctive appearance and tactile feel. Mintage and circulation. In 2012, the Monnaie de Paris minted the 10-cent coin primarily for general circulation, as part of its ongoing coin production. Millions of these coins were struck, making them common in day-to-day usage. However, the mintage numbers can vary slightly from year to year, and although the 2012 issue is not rare, coins in uncirculated or mint state condition can still be of interest to collectors. The coin was also likely included in official mint sets, such as brilliant uncirculated or proof sets, which are specifically produced for collectors and come in protective packaging. These collector versions are struck with special care, often featuring sharper details and a more reflective surface. Numismatic and cultural value. While the 2012 France 10-euro-cent coin is primarily a circulation coin, its value goes beyond its nominal worth. It represents the synthesis of national pride and European unity, a miniature embodiment of modern French identity within the broader context of the EU. The use of la Semouse, a figure deeply rooted in French republicanism on a European coin, is a subtle but powerful statement about the coexistence of sovereignty and integration. From a collector's standpoint, the 2012 10-cent coin holds interest mainly as part of a date-run collection, collecting one coin for each year, or as part of a full France euro coin set. Its value is modest in circulated condition, typically just 10 cents, but may rise to 50 cents to 2 euros or more for coins in pristine uncirculated or proof condition, especially if part of an official set. Where to find and buy the coin? The 2012 France 10-euro-cent coin is readily available in circulation across the Eurozone, but for collectors seeking high-grade or proof examples, online platforms and numismatic dealers are the best sources. Some trusted online stores and marketplaces include Monnaie de Paris, the official French mint; Numista, a comprehensive database and marketplace for coins; eBay, widely used for individual and bulk coin purchases; MAShops, a curated platform for reputable coin dealers in Europe; Katawiki, auction site offering collectible coins; Delcamp, marketplace focused on collectibles including coins, often with lower fees. Before purchasing, it's wise to compare prices and pay attention to the condition, packaging, and authentication. Proof coins and those in original mint packaging are often valued higher. Top 3. The 2011 France 10-euro-cent coin, covering its design, symbolism, historical background, technical details, mintage information, numismatic value, and where to buy it. This comprehensive overview is tailored for coin collectors, educators, history enthusiasts, and anyone interested in European coinage and French national symbolism. Historical context: France and the euro. The 2011 France 10-euro-cent coin is part of the broader euro coin family, which was introduced across the Eurozone starting in 2002, following the euro's adoption in 1999 as the common currency for participating European Union nations. France, a founding member of both the EU and the Eurozone, was among the earliest adopters of the euro, replacing its national currency, the French franc, FRF, with the euro. Each euro coin denomination, from 1 cent to 2 euros, has a common European reverse and a national obverse that reflects the culture and identity of the issuing country. France's national side of the euro cent coins, including the 10-cent coin from 2011, features the modern version of la Semouse, the sower, a long-standing symbol of the French Republic. While this coin was minted for everyday use, its design, history, and symbolism give it lasting value beyond its face denomination, especially in uncirculated or collector-grade condition. Design and symbolism: la Semouse, the sower. The obverse, national side, of the 2011 France 10-euro-center coin features Louisiana Semouse, one of the most iconic images in French numismatics and cultural symbolism. This updated version was created by Laurent Joriot, drawing inspiration from the classic work of Oscar Roty, who designed the original sower motif in the late 19th century during the French Third Republic. Originally a symbol of agriculture and republican ideals, la Semouse has come to represent hope, growth, liberty, and the enduring spirit of the French people. In the design, a graceful yet dynamic female figure walks toward the left, scattering seeds from her right hand. She wears a Phrygian cap, a classic emblem of liberty dating back to the French Revolution, and her dress flows as she strides forward. Behind her, rays of the rising sun stretch outward, symbolizing optimism and enlightenment. The background is simple but powerful, emphasizing the forward motion of both the figure and France itself. The initials RF, République Française, appear prominently on the right side of the design. Encircling the image are 12 five-pointed stars, representing the European Union. These stars are featured on all euro coins, regardless of issuing country, and symbolize unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. Reverse design: European common face. The reverse side of the 2011 10-cent coin is the standard European design, created by Luc Louix, a Belgian coin designer. This side features a globe in the bottom right quadrant, displaying Europe in relation to the rest of the world. The denomination 10 euro cent is boldly displayed across the design. The globe is slightly stylized and shows the original 15 EU member states with clear outlines. The background is filled with vertical lines, and 12 stars again surround the globe, reinforcing the theme of European unity. This common reverse is used across all Eurozone countries, giving the coins a sense of cohesion while still allowing each nation to express its identity on the obverse side. Technical specifications. The 2011 France 10-cent coin shares the same specifications as all Eurozone 10-cent coins, designed to ensure consistency and ease of recognition across all member states. Composition: Nordic gold, 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, 1% tin. Color: golden yellow. Weight: 4.10 grams. Diameter: 19.75 millimeters. Thickness: 1.93 millimeters. Edge: smooth with fine vertical ridges, also known as a reeded or milled edge. Nordic gold is a corrosion-resistant, durable alloy with a warm gold-like hue, specifically developed for euro coinage. Although the term includes gold, it contains no actual gold. It was named for its appearance and was developed in Scandinavia mintage and circulation. The 2011 France 10-cent coin was produced by the Monnaie de Paris, Paris Mint, France's official government mint. Like most euro cent denominations, the 10-cent coin was minted in large quantities for general circulation. While exact mintage figures can vary slightly depending on the source, the 2011 issue was part of France's standard annual coin production. These coins were distributed through banks, post offices, and retailers and were used throughout the Eurozone. In addition to standard circulating strikes, the coin was also likely included in collector versions, such as brilliant uncirculated BU sets, intended for collectors, struck with a higher quality finish. Proof sets, premium quality coins with mirror-like surfaces and more precise details. These collector versions are struck in limited quantities and are usually housed in official packaging with certificates of authenticity. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.